section.
Darling of the Press.
And here to present these two very special awards is a multi-awarded actor, director, and producer, and the president of Front Row International, R.S. Francisco.
Good evening, everybody. Narito ang mga love teams na nagpakilig, nagpasaya, at nagpaiyak sa atin noong nakaraang taon.
For Movie Love Team of the Year, Alden Richards and Julia Montes, 5 Breakups and Romance. Alger Abrenica and AJ Rabal, Sugapa. Carlo Aquino and Charlie Dizon, Third World Romance. Darren Espanto and Cassie Legaspi, When I Met You in Tokyo. David Licauco and Shaira Diaz, Without You. Miguel Tanfelix and Isabel Ortega, Firefly. Raver Cruz and Julian San Jose, The Cheating Game. Ruru Madrid and Yassi Pressman, Video City, Be Kind, Please Rewind. And the star goes to Alden Richards and Julia Montes for 5 Breakups and Romance.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Lourdes Fabian.
Salamat po ako sa bumubuo ng Philippine Movie Press Club, and congratulations po on your 40th year. Hindi po nakadalo ang aking co-love team na si Julia Montes, pero on her behalf po, I would like to receive this award. So, malaking part po ng buhay namin ni Jules ngayon yung 5 Breakups and a Romance, dahil marami po itong ituro sa amin na mga life lessons when it comes to personal life and of course sa love life. And papasalamat po ako sa bumubuo po ng 5 Breakups and a Romance, JMA Pictures, Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and of course Cornerstone Studios, and to our writer-director muli, Irene Villamor, Direct, Movie Love Team. So maraming salamat po, magandang gabi po.